Hi everyone, I welcome you all for the module on structural classification of boranes. In this module, we are going to learn about the different types of boranes in the introduction part and bonding in boranes based on the molecular orbital treatment. And also we will be learning about the heteroboranes and how they are related to the main class of boranes. Boranes are hydrates of boron with a general formula Bp times and Hq times. This can also be written as BHP times and HQ minus P. Now this is a neutral form and here Q will be greater than P. That is, number of hydrogens will be more than number of boron atoms. So this quantity always remains positive. So this is a neutral form of writing the boron hydride. Next one is general formula can also be written in the anionic form as BPHP or BHP times raised to the power P minus Q. Now the P minus Q, since P is less and Q is more or high, this quantity remains negative. So this can be written in the anionic form also. Each negative charge, that is -1, can be neutralized in the anionic form by the addition of hydrogen to the formula. The structure of boranes resemble cage or cluster-like structure, a slightly complicated structure consisting of a range of regular polyhedra with n corners and with triangular faces. So here different types of three-dimensional polyhedra are given. Here every polyhedra that is shown has the triangular face. Such type of polyhedra are called deltahedrons. Now these polyhedron have their name depending upon the number of corners they have. If the number of corners is 4, then it is tetrahedron. Trigonal bipyramid will have 5 corners. Octahedron 6 corners. Pentagonal bipyramid will have 7 corners. Dodecahedron 8 corners. Tri-capped trigonal prism will have 9 corners. Bicapped square antiprism with 10 corners. Octadecahedron with 11 corners and isosohedron with 12 corners. We will be learning about the every time we will be referring to the number of corners in the parent polyhedron and shape of the polyhedron when we are moving further to the different classes of boranes. The next one, we are going to see the types of boranes. We are going to take this general formula BHP times and HQ times. When Q minus P is equal to 2, that is when BHP and H2 or in the anionic form BHP times 2 minus, then we are referring to the cage-like structure where all the vertices of the polyhedron remain occupied. So here I have given an example where the number of corners is equal to 6, or we are referring to a octahedron. So now here, since all the corners are occupied, we call this as closo because we can see that it is acting, the geometry is like a cage. There is no open ended structure. This is a closed structure. That is why it is called closo or cage like structure. Then next type is nido, where Q minus P is equal to 4. Here the formula can be written as BHP times and H4 times, or BHP 4 minus. Here one vertex of the parent polyhedron will remain unoccupied or empty. So remove one of the corner from the closo structure, one vertex. So you get a nido class of compounds. Remove the two vertices, you get arakino. So what will be the general formula? The general formula will be where Q minus P is equal to 6, or BHP times H will be 6, or in the anionic form this will be BHP times and 6 minus. So since there will be only 4 corners occupied, we cannot call this as tetrahedron because this structure is derived from closo where the two vertices are removed, right? So here I have given an example also. The closo structure correspondingly will have B6H8 as the molecular formula. Only the terminal hydrogens are shown here. The other 3-centered 2 electron bonds are not shown here. When you go for the nido structure, you will be removing one boron atoms, and correspondingly the number of hydrogens will change. So if I have B5, then it means that BH 5 times and 4 minus, so the formula becomes B5H9, and one corner is removed from the closo, so the structure is nido. Similarly, we can derive the arachino structure from the closo structure by removing two corners. So since I'm removing two corners, the polyhedra, arachino polyhedra, will contain only 4 boron atoms in its cluster. So for the arachino, the net formula is BHP times 6 minus, or BH4 times 6 minus. So for every minus, we need to add hydrogen. So we need to add 6 hydrogens here. So the formula becomes B4H10. So we will move further and find out how this can be understood. Now, removal of BH2 plus group from the previous cluster will result in the next cluster with the same number of n corners of the parent polyhedron. So, I'm considering the structure B6H62 minus or B6H8, which is a closoborane. I'm removing the BH2 plus. So, when I remove BH, so when I remove 1B and 1H, I get B5H5 from here, and then I remove 2 plus. So that means I have to subtract 2 minus here. So I get 4 minus. So I add 4 hydrogens to this. I get B5H9. So this is a nidoborane. So please remember that since because the parent because the number of atoms that are present is 5, it is not trigonal bipyramidal geometry. It has the parent polyhedron still as octahedral geometry only, but the class of compound is nidoborane. Again, by removing one more BH2 plus, I get B4H46 minus or B4H10, which is arachinoborane. So all these boranes have same parent polyhedra with n is equal to 6. That is, I'm always referring to the octahedron here for all these 3 class of compounds. This is very important because only when you have understood this, we can calculate the number of framework electrons. And I would like to retain this n value here. Now, the n always refer to the number of boron atoms in the parent polyhedron or the number of vertices in the parent polyhedron. Whatever be the number of boron atoms in the nidoborane or the arachinoborane, right, we need to add appropriately some numbers so that the n always refer to the number of corners in the parent polyhedron. So this is very important because based on this only we will be doing many problems. So now we will have one understanding test here. Determine the type of borane cluster and n, that is the number of parent polyhedron for the following. So I have given 3 examples here. We will start working out one by one. So now here B10H14, the difference between P and Q is 4. So the class is nido class of borane. Now since one vertex is less, because nido means one vertex less, so the parent will be B10. B10 is the number of boron atoms present in the nido cluster. So I need to add one more to this to get what is the parent polyhedron. The parent polyhedron will have 11 corners. Next one is B2H7 minus, converted to the neutral form B2H8. So the difference between these two is 6. When the difference is 6, then the class of borane is arachinoborane. In the arachinoborane, the 2 vertices will be less than the parent cluster. So now I need to, if I want to calculate what is the parent cluster, I have to add 2 to this. So that means 2 plus 2, 4. So the number of corners in the parent will be 4. Next one is B7 H7 2 minus. So make it into a neutral borane B7H9. So the difference becomes 2 here between 7 and 9. So this refers to closoborane where all the vertices are occupied. So since all the vertices are occupied, the 7 is the number of corners in the parent polyhedron. I hope you understand this.